Hello all and welcome back. Today we are going to create this beautiful flat infographic design in PowerPoint. Let's get started. Let's first enable the guides and then format the background with solid light gray color. Next go to Insert tab and then draw rounded rectangle shape. Adjust its roundness with orange color edit point and align it centrally to horizontal guide. Make it no fill and change its outline color to black. Also, change the outline type to one of the available dash pattern. Duplicate this rectangle shape using Ctrl+D and fill it with some light gray color. Make it no outline and reduce its size holding down Shift key. Place this rectangle shape on the main design as shown and send it to back. Next go to Insert tab, draw circle holding down Shift key. Place it on the main design as shown and change its fill color. Now select all the shapes and create 3 more duplicates by dragging them holding down Ctrl and Shift keys. Because this design has multiple shapes, we are not sure if each segments are at equal distances from each other. So let's group each design segment and then distribute them horizontally. Let's ungroup each segments again and color them quickly. Select both rectangle and circle shapes and format them with linear gradient. Change its direction and make it 2-step gradient. Change both stop colors using color palettes. Making use of Format Painter, apply same formatting to other shapes and change their gradient stop colors. Select all solid rectangle shapes and apply reflection effect. Adjust blur and transparency values until you get desired effect. Next select all outlined rectangle shapes and apply reflection effect. Adjust its distance until it slightly moves out of main design. Now let's create shadow effect at the bottom of each design segments. Go to Insert tab and draw ellipse shape. Make it no outline and format it with path gradient. Change left stop color to dark gray color and right stop color to light gray color with 100% transparency. Place this shadow effect at the bottom of first design segment and send it to back. Similarly, duplicate this shape 3 more times using Ctrl+D, and place it at the bottom of each design segment. Next, add all PNG icons and text fields to finalize our design. Let's speed up to save time. So here is the final preview. Hope you all liked it. Please don't forget to like, share, and comment.